Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct recently added Lutze Silflex servo motor cable to their wide variety of cables and cable products. Lutze is a top-rated and trusted partner in industrial cable and connectivity products for industrial automation. Their rugged industrial cables are ideal for harsh environments. Lutze Silflex servo motor cable is designed for servo drive and motor combinations. Silflex is rated tray cable exposure run, meaning that it can be used with or without conduit, making the installations more cost-effective by reducing labor and material cost. The TPE jacket is oil and sunlight resistant and suitable for dry, damp, wet, and direct burial locations. Lutze servo motor cable has 4 conductors and an additional shielded signal pair for feedback or brake control. The Lutze Silflex cable can be used for most stationary servo motor applications. Lutze cable comes in various wire sizes and can be ordered in the customer's required lengths in 1-foot increments up to 5,000 feet with a 10-foot minimum depending on model. Lutze servo cable is made in the USA and carries these agency approvals. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/servo-motor-cable. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.